Alright, let's settle the debate. Morpholio Trace versus Procreate. If you're an architect or designer, you've probably heard both names tossed around a lot. But which one fits your workflow best? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. First up, Morpholio Trace. Picture this as your digital drafting board. Need to draft floor plans or mark up PDFs to scale? Morpholio Trace is made for you. It's packed with precision tools like digital rulers, protractors, even area calculations. Think stacking tracing papers, but on your iPad. Smart layers let me revise over site plans, or trace over 3D models with real perspective alignment. If you live and breathe technical accuracy and need to integrate with CAD, Trace is your go-to. The catch? It's subscription-based, but for the right user, it's worth every penny. Now let's flip to Procreate. This one's all about creativity. The brush engine? Honestly, it's magic. I can get realistic watercolor washes or crispy ink lines in seconds. It's buttery smooth, supports tons of layers, and has fun features like Animation Assist for quick sunpath GIFs or Quick Shape for perfect circles and squares. There are no scale tools here, so technical drafting will be a manual workaround. But if you want to wow your clients with beautiful hand-drawn visuals and artistic textures, Procreate is tough to beat. Plus, it's a one-time purchase, so it's super budget-friendly. Here's my quick rule of thumb. Pick Morpholio Trace if you need pinpoint accurate drawings and CAD compatibility. Think architects, landscape designers, interior pros. Go with Procreate if your focus is on expressive, stylized presentations and you want your work to have serious wow factor. Pro tip: you don't have to choose. Many pros use Trace for the technical stuff, then export to Procreate for that finishing artistic